Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our LSA-HBFR-QN. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part A, two part B, one part F, 6 parts K, and 6 parts J. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing another part A, 2 parts C, 1 part F again, 6 parts J, and 6 parts K. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 2 parts D, 1 part E. We'll be preparing our subframe. For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assembly parts, as well as 8 parts J and 8 parts K. Let's go ahead and assemble now. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part G. When installing part G, please remember to remove the inserts. For our next step, we'll be needing 1 part E, 2 parts I, 2 parts L, and 3 parts J, our bolts. Let's assemble now. Going to E. For our last step, we'll be needing 10 parts number H. Let's install now. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our LSA-HBFR-QN. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.